let's go over gold again. Okay, unemployment claims, they come out every Thursday at 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. They directly affect gold. Just like every Wednesday at 10:30 Eastern Standard Time, unless there's a holiday, it'll be Thursday for crude, is that they affect crude oil. Wednesdays at 10:30, and Thursdays, every Thursday at 8:30 is gold. So what we do when we first log in, nothing means anything to us. I don't care about market profile. I don't care where the hedge fund's at, this red dash line. I don't care about J signal. I want to know that either I'm in a trend or chop market. That's all I need to know to understand how to trade unemployment claims. That's a first order of business I need to know. I noticed one thing. Pre-news, I told you traders before the news release, we were in a hard angle down all morning since around 2 a.m. this morning. That's your dominant MA that you look at, the magenta MA. The dominant MA said we are in a downtrend. Then we flattened out. We crossed up the 20 through the 50, still a flat market. You're still allowed to sell the first test of HVA, even with moving average cross because we're flat. But what happened, the moving average crossed back down again, pre-news. So not only did I have the dominant moving average down all night, it flattened out, but we have the 20 cross down through the 50. That tells me to only sell after the news is released on unemployment claims. What I have to do, how do I find my spot now? Now I establish we're in a downtrend. Since we're in a downtrend now, I cannot buy these green dots. I can't, if the news made the market go down to 1250, I could not buy 1250. I'm not allowed to buy 1250. As a market profile trader, remember, market profile has been around for 30 years and has worked for 30 years since 1985, calling order flow. 30 years, and it still works. So I know that I can't buy 1250 because I'm in a downtrend if it went down post-news. I can only sell, so what do? I look for projections on, this is price profile. I also have volume I look at. I try to find where my HVA is, high value area. If I'm in a downtrend, I'm not allowed to buy LVA. I can only sell HVA on the first test. So I got to project ahead. Where are my HVA levels and my number one levels? I projected pre-news. I said our sell level is 1257.60 to 1258.5 right there. If I get into this sell zone, I look for a red bar reversal on my 3 Simrinko or a bullseye to get me in the trade with a 15 tick hard stop. Right? Pre-news, we said that. Market comes out, right? Post the news. Market screams up. Pauses a second, goes straight up. 54 goes up 50 ticks, hits my price profile right on the nose. I get a red bar reversal. Hold on one sec. I'll show you. I get a red bar reversal on J signal right at the high. I look for a red bar reversal as the market goes up. Watch. Market screaming up here. Watch. Green, 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 all the way up, 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 green. It hits my what? Sell zone. Right here it's price profile. Oops. There's price profile. Make it red for you. There's my sell zone. We're on price profile. Right? Down to 50. Right there. We're right on it. You're allowed to take the first bullseye either at this first red bar reversal or some of you got on this one, that's fine. The yellow dot, the bullseye confirmed it. Here's a short, or at the high it's short here. It's confirmed there's divergence below at the first test of HVA. Look at this divergence, lower high on oscillator. So that told me I either wait for the red bar reversal, easy way to do it. Either one was a trade. My 15 tick hard stop didn't even come close. Didn't even come close to hitting. 58.5 is a hard stop up here. Look at my hard stop. Not even close after news. Didn't even come close to hitting my hard stop. Even if you're down here, if you got filled in the 90s, there's your hard stop. Look what the market did. Straight down. Check that out. Right down to my low value area and developing profile. And that's how we do it every single week, every Thursday, every Wednesday with crude oil. Crude oil the same way. 10:30, you get 2 shots at it on trade news events. You get 2 shots at it. You trade crude oil at 10:30 trade news every Wednesday at 10:30. Crude oil inventories and unemployment claims directly affects gold on Thursdays. And all we do is predicate our trades off of what? Price and volume profile. It's as simple as that. If I'm in a, but you got to establish you're in a trend first, right, Diane? If I'm in a downtrend, Diane, I can't buy LVA. That makes me a counter trend trader, right? And I'm going to get killed. If I'm in an uptrend, I can't sell HVA, right? So I was in a downtrend, I sell the first test. I'll talk blue in my face about this until you guys and gals get this on a consistent basis, week in, week out. It's the first test of an area. The first test of an area is the best. Second test, it can break through because the order flow is gone. And we're experiencing that right now in crude a little bit. I already tested profile once. It's determining if it wants to roll or not to go higher to 0321. The first test of order flow is the best. It always has been. It always will be. For the past 30 years of market profile, the first test is always the best. It's done it that way for 30 years. What's to say it's not going to do that for the next 30 years, right? So you trade it on the first test. That's how we nailed the exact swing high again. Again. Go to the unemployment claims. Go to daytradingthefutures.com. Now watch. Here's another video to back this video up. Go to this website, daytradingthefutures.com. All right, go to www.daytradingthefutures.com. All my videos are on there that we do in here. Pretty much all of them. Go to the training tab. Click the training tab at the top. I want you to do this for me, Diane. I want you to go in there and look at how to trade unemployment claims with gold. Not today's, last week's. It's the exact same trade. Okay? It's the exact same trade. Exactly. And we nailed it. Go the week before that. Exact same trade. We nailed it. Go the week before that. I think you're starting to get the rhythm of it. Okay? So if we're in a downtrend, this is how we buy and sell at the black charts, guys and gals. If we're in a downtrend, the first test of HVA is the best. This red dashed line, this hedge fund, treat that as HVA. Been using that since 1996. It can stop the market all by itself. These two indicators are very powerful. All right? If market profile has been working since 1985, my hedge fund has been working since 1996, I think we have enough data to say, hey, this system works on number one. You know? So you can have confidence in trading that, pulling yourself in with the 15 tick hard stop. All right? Just remember, the first order of business. If we're in a downtrend, sell the first test of HVA. If we're in an uptrend, buy the first test of LVA, would be volume or price. Use the black charts. Use your ninja charts to pull yourself in with limited risk.